Today I'm going to be fixing this little coconut birdhouse thing for pet birds. The first thing I got to do is clean it up. You should probably wear a mask doing this, but I'm outside and it's a little windy, so it should be fine. This is just an old birdhouse that's been tore up forever. If you want it to last, don't put something rope in there with your birds. A lot of bird toys are made with rope or chain or plastic chain. And that's really what you need to use, in all honesty. That should be good. So what I'm going to do here should be quick and easy. Yeah, I'm going to go get a drill, grab the old D-Walt, and you got to find the right bit set, obviously. I'm actually gonna just matches that hole. That's close. This is closer. It'll work. So that's like that. Just as simple as that. Yeah, let's see, that's where it used to. Okay. Then from there, I've actually got some chain here. This chain is 99 cents at Ace Hardware. And sometimes you got to the hole's not big enough. So what you do is you find a bigger bit and bore your hole a little bigger. Find about here. So that's a good right there. Yeah, right there. Okay. What I'm gonna do here is actually grab a pair of pliers here. Side is about right there. Wonder if this will cut this chain. Easy. That was super easy. Drop it in the Alright. I need to get it lined up. Yeah, about like that. Now what I'm gonna do, I just took this clip off of an old bird toy, this done for, and I'm just gonna do like this. And here we have our bird house. One thing I may need to do, I'm not sure, is put some sort of little, now something I learned, parakeets, they don't actually like bedding, they prefer just the bare wood or whatever. So I'm just gonna be leaving this empty. But there we go. There's a little birdhouse.